We're gonna do. Let's do 5 minutes.
Oh Lord.
So you have 5 minutes to enter. You do need a Patreon account, so you have more than enough time to actually make one for yourself.
Super easy.
Yes.
Super easy. Oh my God, you pinned it. Can we unpin that?
No, we can't.
No, we can't.
Because we love supporting full-time content creators, especially people.
Thank you,
pigs.
Vane Wing Song. Thank you. Listen, the decision to go full-time was like, but Patreon was something always on my radar. I wanted to do fun extra incentives for people, and it's just something to put out there into the universe and my work and what I do. And I do it out of a love for the creative spaces, literally to lift each other up. So this is my little way of diversifying and expanding as a creator.
Exactly.
Like in some way, and more to come. Yay, more busy. We love it.
Hell yeah.
But yeah, for sure. I enjoy it.
So
I do.
exclamation
I
point
love what I do.
giveaway if you want to.
Thank you.
No?
God damn it.
Thank you. There we go. I have the link ready. See, now I even have the link, so you can't stop me.
I know, I literally can't. It's impossible to do that.
Supported,
literally.
Get supported.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Did not know about this, everyone, for the record.
He did not. He did not. This was my own
no idea.
Plan.
This is not scripted at all.
See, I have a tradition. Whenever I collab with someone, they get chaos on.
Oh my God. No, dump on Clan. Get him.
No. So exclamation point mark giveaway if you want to win the Patreon membership.
Lord.
You only have a couple more minutes.
Good luck, everyone, and excited to work with you and see what you all vote on and pick and all the crazy. Literally, like what I do on my channel and on content and in general, like there's so many things. I have ideas, but I realized after doing this for years and years, I'm like, what do the people want? Like I can work on things I love doing, but like, what do people want to see more of? Like put it in their hands to let me kind of go with. So yeah.
I'm gonna tag everyone.
It's literally
just because I can.
Go for it. So. Clan is the sneakiest hand. Really, Crash. For real, homie. He is. He is. Unequivocally. And big love to you, dude. It's been a blast collabing and having fun today. When you were looking for, like, I don't know what I'm doing ideas, and I'm like, I'll throw my hat in the ring. Let's go. Like, let's go.
There we go. And, there's people joining.
Hey, look at those names. Also, can we talk? This wheel is so good by Zulu. I love this. Zulu's a fucking legend, man.
Right.
I love that.
This is a free tool, people.
It's so good.
It's so good.
Actually, if I can get a quick permit, I can share the link for Zulu's wheel. If there's any creators out there who want this wheel, he does do this for free. There it is there. There's his Twitch channel. And I put my command, so anyway, I should have put Clan, but that's the download file there. Grab that link and download the files. He's always available. We're always available. Like, how do you need to use this? Stupid easy. So good. It does giveaways, wheel spins. Like, he did this out of a love for programming. He's also a fellow Moko, so he's on our team too.
It's very easy.
So you know he's a legend. So easy.
Working. I do need to figure out how to get only the wheel to show like you have in yours.
So I show you, I cheat. I put a little magenta background behind, and then I crop out the magenta. Yeah, because green screen hides the green as well. Yeah. But if you do the right color of magenta, I can show you my settings. It gets rid of it. So you can have it anywhere on the screen.
Oh, I'd love that.
Yeah, I do a block out that way.
Totally. Guys, you have less than a minute. Exclamation point giveaway if you want to win 2 months of Pix's Patreon free of charge. I covered it.
Oh my God.
I covered it for you.
Wild.
Infused bug.
Yeah, there's only totally, and there's a README file too, and then just download the file. The executable is really all you need. Just download that, and then when you open it, it's magic. So just download and done.
There we go. 15 seconds.
Yeah.
Do it. Join.
Oh, good luck, everyone.
Good luck. And we're going to do a spin. Where's the spin? Where's the spin? There.
Here it goes.
And the winner is going to be...
With it.
I love doing giveaways.
Oh my god. Winner is...
No way. No way.
Oh.
King Dixon balls.
Let's go. No
Hell yeah.
shot. GG.
GG.
Congratulations.
I'm
GG.
gonna send you a sneaky little Twitch whisper. With
Oh
the
my
link.
god. Danks. Dunkus. Dank as hell. Dunkus.
Copy link. Pix's
Congratulations, King
Patreon.
Dixon balls. Amazing.
Go redeem. Go make Pix cry.
Oh my god. Stop it. I'm gonna get the alert in my ear now too.
Do it.
God damn it.
Congratulations. And Pix, congrats.
If you didn't
on
win,
the
you
new
can always
Patreon.
follow for free. You can always
Yes.
like follow